Eric here from 7th Circle Hobbies, and in this video I will show you a quick alternative paint scheme for stone that will cost you under $2. The first step is to begin with a heavy brushing of the chocolate bar color, leaving only the darkest parts of the undercoat visible. Repeat this on both sides and on the bottom and top of the model as appropriate. Once that coat is dry, you want to transition to the chestnut color and apply it with medium pressure. This will help you build up that brown color nicely. Finally, you want to dry brush an antique parchment to finish up the stone. Take your time and brush out most of the paint of the brush before applying it to your surface. Once the paint is completely dry, you'll have a really nice, interesting alternative stone color. Here I'll show you the other side of the bridge that I pre-painted before the video, and you can take a look at what it looks like once it's dry. If you found this video helpful, please like it, consider subscribing, and tell me what your stone color recipes are in the comments section below.